Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here in the Uptown neighborhood. We're at 5123 North Winthrop, Unit 2R. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with amazing natural light and a beautiful sunroom and a renovated kitchen that's just stunning. But before we take you inside, we want to show you the neighborhood, the lakefront, jogging paths, walking paths, biking paths, beaches, several different beaches to choose from, including a dog beach. And you've got shopping, dining, nightlife, and more, and you're just steps from public transportation. So Happy New Year and welcome to our newest listing in Uptown. Have a safe flight.